Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you a first look and unboxing of the Ace Biblio in green canvas micarta. But firstly I must thank to my friend that did send it in to me that I'm able to make this video for everybody. But I do not have the original box, but this is my Ace Grand box and it is the same in which the knife will come. So originally when this did came out, I did not pick up one up just because I considered it a little bit on the smaller size. Just was not feeling the design speaking to me, and that is probably the only thing why I did not purchase it. And probably I did all right, because a few maybe months later the Ace Grant was released, and for my personal carry that is probably the better design, but I will talk about that a little bit later. So let's talk about the specifications. So we have a overall length of 17.2 centimeters or 6.7 inches. The blade is 7.3 centimeters or 2.9 inches long. The blade width is 3 centimeters or 1.2 inches. The blade thickness is 3 millimeters or 0.12 inches. The handle is 10 centimeters or 4 inches. And the handle thickness is 0.9 centimeters or 0.37 inches without the pocket clip. So fairly thin. Fits nice in the hand. You have also a finger choil option right here, so you can choke up if you like. There is really nicely positioned jimping in the front. So overall, even if you have a really large hand, you could use this knife without any problems. Okay, materials used on this one, we have Bohler M390 micro clean with a really nice Stonewash. We have non-skeletonized liners, and we have Micarta on the blade. Like all previous models in the Ace line, these came out in a few variations. So there was a titanium version and this green micarta, but later on they did release also a brown version and also a titanium slash with inlays with micarta. So there is under the revision number 2. So at this point you can definitely choose whatever material you want. Probably there is also a brass, but I don't know if it is limited or not, but you have to check at the GiantMouse website for that. So being this a Ace model, this is under the more price conscious banner of pricing. These go for $185. Obviously, depending on your preferred retailer, maybe you can get some discount. You can also buy it directly from the GiantMouse website. Okay, the lock on this one is a really nice liner lock. Everything is nicely contoured. You can see there, no sharp corners. Disengaging is without any problems. You can open it slowly with the thumb hole or with the flipper. The pivot assembly, it rides on caged ball bearings, so fairly standard by now. They used one of my favorite pocket clips that they could use, and there is the wire clip, which is reversible, so all your left-handed carry users, you will be happy that you can carry this knife as it was intended on your dominant side. Okay, so the weight comes at 106.3 grams or 3.75 ounces. Definitely, if they would skeletonize liners, they could shave a few grams off that, but they choose probably for the to keep the price as low as possible, choose not to do so. Manufacturing is in Maniago, Italy, so these are outsourced. So lots of, if not all, the designs that are under the GiantMouse banner, which by now you probably know is a collaborative engagement or company between two well-known knife makers and designers, Anso and Jesper Voxnaes. Let me show you the really quickly the pocket profile. So this is how much it will stick out. The flipping action definitely prefers a preloaded motion. So if you would like to just light switch it, it will probably not open. And I must say I did disassemble the knife, did clean it out, did clean out the G10 because this was used obviously by my friend. So I did reapply so KVT on the ball bearings, but definitely as you can see there is a really weak detent, I must say, probably because they wanted to be able for you to able open it with your thumb studs with ease. Maybe therefore they went for the slight or should I say light detent. But just keep in mind this could be probably also a maybe a defect, or I don't want to say defect on this particular model. I did hear from some people that the revision 2 has a really better flipping action, so keep that in mind if you are buying this one new, or if you are buying the new version that is available at this point in 2021, that you could have a better flipping action like I showed you here in this video. But this is how it came, so this is how it is. Okay, now let me talk a little bit about the like I mentioned on at the start of the video. So currently, as far as I know, there are three sizes or three knives in this collaboration, maybe how to say it, because Ace as a company has lots of designs, lots of knives currently available. But for me, in this little similar design range, that will be a good word for that, are three knives. So the first was the Ace Biblio. Then they released the Ace Grand, which is the GM1, only in liner lock micarta. And a few months ago they did release also the model Riv. So the model Riv will be somewhere in the range of the pillar. So I will, for the purpose, put the pillar in the picture right here. And like I mentioned, when the Biblio was released, I did saw the sizing. Yeah, 17.2 centimeters, 6.7 inches. That is a little bit small for my primary carry. Back in then, I did wait, and then they released the Ace Grand, which in my opinion is one of the best EDC production knives that you can currently have from Ace, or let's say from Jesper Voxnaes and Anso. And yes, it has all the boxes checked for me. So Micarta, deep carry, wire clip, Stonewash blade. Only only downside was that they released the green micarta, so natural canvas micarta first, and then a few months ago they did release also the brown version. So yeah, I probably have to get that one also to be the version that I have, that I would like to have originally. But then there is also one downside with that model, and that the brown micarta has a satin finish on the blade, so not that good for your EDC, because it will show smudges and fingerprints like no other. But there is also I can swap the blades. But here is the comparison, direct comparison with the Ace Grand and the Biblio. Now let me show you a few other knives. So here I have the Haddock from Anso, which is a limited edition from Altoner Silberwerkstatt, or no? Sorry, you have to check. I have a video on this knife in my Micarta playlist. So this is the Haddock. This is the Elementum from CVV. Cubieris. QSP. Penguin. Kaiser Pinch. Wraith Model 2. Small Reptilian. Benchmade. 940 from Benchmade. Kaiser Backlighter 2. Spider Codelica. Kershaw Leak. CVV Rustic Gent. Peanut from Rough Rider. Bucksprint Pro. And let's close it up with Cape Bad Dozier Folding Hunter. Okay, so overall, I would say it is a really nice design. If you're looking for something with this drop point slash leaf shaped blade, like mostly Spyderco and obviously Strider does, this is something for you. If you have let's say even a medium or smaller hand, this will be probably more than enough for you. But if you're looking for something larger, then definitely I suggest check out the Ace Grand. Okay, with that being said, I would like to thank you for watching. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. If you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes other stuff regarding my hobbies. So, wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.